Hello, this is Amy from Navigator. Today I will introduce our mini water pouring 100-liter welding machine. This machine very small size, and here is the water pouring, and the wire feeder we can keep inside. The door here, the wire goes through from here. Back side we can hold the gas bottle. We can compare this machine and this black one. This black one, the size is small, but the wire feeder outside too. This one, the wire feeder inside. So it's when you go outside, you just take this to any place. But this one, you need to take the welding machine, then carry the wire feeder. You can see we can take it very easy. The water channel, so when we change the water, only 1 liter water is enough. We can change and collection back. Okay. This is our welding head. Here we can adjust the power, center beam, width, and frequency. Wire feeder control. By short press, the button in the wire feeder back. Long press in the wire feeder outside. This is the protection detection. When the protection damage, the machine will stop working.